Hey loves, another day in the life. After life has given me kiboko cha maisha, every day had lessons. It was time to pack my bags and go back to where it all started. So here I'm at the Denry shop, picking one of my bags from my bucket list, but then I kinda had more luggage, so I opted for this one. It's pretty cool, the color. It calls out, I feel like it's a rich color. Anyways, let's dive into the video. Please like this video, shares all there, talk to me in the comment section, subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next vlog.
Well, after trading the other day, I decided to go somewhere outside, giving sijui sun-kissed and all, and I'm telling you, mine are sunburns. It's as if I did not apply enough sunscreen. My skin was like, girl, we are about to peel off. Anyways, just check in the description for the link that I used to trade. And the other day, so someone was like, no trade placed. Well, do you expect me to trade on a weekend? We backtest on weekends and check out our journal, so just check what we did wrong previously. Let's go.
So at times I carry some salt with me because the feelings knows they will traveling in a way. I hate helps in a way. It actually works, but just believing it works, it actually works. So this one I had been given by someone where I had bought a smoky vendor where I had bought some smokies, but we are finally getting there. And now see our location, first location.
Well, trading gives you the courage to do anything, even sit in a hotel alone. Anyway, this reminds me of back in the days when we would watch these two movies whereby the prince would reserve the whole hotel just for the queen. Just for his girl. Anyway, now we're doing it for ourselves.
So basically you can hear from the background, I got here late. Yeah, so I ordered my meal, then I went out to look for some stuff, kiasi, left my luggage here, and then later on I will be seeing what we did, but they prepared my meal. It was quite sweet. I went with it as a takeaway home. I'm just admiring myself, although as I stated earlier on, I'm having some suntans. I went for that hockey game. If you haven't watched that vlog, you'll not understand. I went for that hockey game, and then my face got like, my sunscreen was like, nothing was working out for me. But then I'll also be having like a remedy, or how I'll be doing a video on how I'm going to get clear skin again, because apparently looking like I have, you see, like a black mask on. Actually look funny, but we'll take care of this skin. Make sure that you do stay tuned, watch and subscribe. We have 2 locations today before I go directly to where it all started.
Well, I don't really like the way I took these clips. I was just feeling fatigued and all. And anyways, as we continue, just like the video, and you can check out more videos in the description, a link to the brokers I use and the playlist. Well, as I am editing this particular video, I'm like, I really love having vacuum money. Like you can tell me shit kind of money, even if I don't have it. Anyways, having such kind of money saves you from so many things. Cause tell me why someone would be like, we tell someone I miss you, and the person will be like, mimi nikikumiss nitakwambia. Oh my god, the disrespect. Now since they have that only happens if they do have the F money and you don't have the F money. So acha niseme venye akina nani usema watu wa trade,
Anyways, at T29 next month, once they're done with you. Oh my goodness. Anywho's, me bado nimejibamba kwa hoteli, relaxing and all. Look at my nails. Look at my nails. Ish, look at the shoe. Ooh. So after a lot of staying there, I went into another hotel where we met with my dad. This was my meal, actually, which I felt it was too expensive for just that plate, but anyway, that is what I ordered and had it. And then afterwards, after enjoying the meal, we discussed some business. Yes, with my dad, business. And then afterwards, I went and surprised my mom, who was not even expecting me to be there, but she was really, really happy. And then the first thing when she saw me, she was like, "Guy, akitakula nini? What will you eat?" Na bado sijakupikia. Well, my mom is always the best. She's always been the best the entire world. May she live long. Okay, so guys, that was how my day was spent, like going back to where it all started. I have lost a lot during that time, and I just wanted to get, like, you see, a break from everything, the world, blah blah blah. Yeah, as I try new, what do you call them, not goals, what's the name, new strategies to see if we can hack the matrix. But anyways, this moment also made me to, like, stop expecting too much for myself. My goals were too high. I almost got there, but then failed. The fact that I failed made me feel like to just accept whatever I have for now, because it was just too much on me. But let's see you on the next one. Please like the video, shares out there, subscribe. Maybe by then we'll have gotten back this trying to restart again. It's not easy, I'm telling you guys. You cry, but still you cannot do anything. It's either you stay down or just pick yourself up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also you can check in the description for a link to more amazing videos. I'll see you on the next one.
I see the fire in your eyes. Don't let it fade. It's time to rise. The